Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the area and grabbing the right tools so you don't grind grit into the finish. Mix 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts distilled water in a spray bottle. Vinegar cuts mineral films without harsh residues. Once mixed, spray a small 6-inch area and wipe with a folded microfiber cloth along the grain. This removes loose grime and shows how the surface reacts. Make sure to use a fresh cloth face to avoid reintroducing dirt. Now attack remaining streaks by always moving with the stainless grain. You avoid cross-grain scratches and reduce haloing. Spray minimal solution on the cloth, not the metal, and buff with light, overlapping strokes until the streak blurs. Once streaks fade, follow immediately with a dry microfiber to lift moisture. This prevents new marks. If streaks persist, dab a small amount of 70% isopropyl on the cloth and repeat. The alcohol evaporates quickly and evens the finish without residue. Finish by applying a very thin coat of mineral oil or a stainless polish to fill microscopic scratches and repel water. Put oil on the cloth, not the fridge, and buff along the grain until even. Once done, inspect under angled light to catch missed areas and make sure fingerprints are removed. If you see ghosting later, repeat the spot clean with alcohol on a cloth and reapply polish. Persistent problems mean trapped grit. Reclean that spot from step 1 and be gentler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.